Go get some water. Atta girl. Good girl. Atta girl. Yeah, good girl.
All right, come here. Come here. Come here. Sit. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Go in your crate. Oh, good job. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Go back in your crate. Stay. Good job. Good job. You opened the door and everything.
Oh, when you throw something, she stays, or she goes and takes after it too.
Put a treat on the floor, and then to make her stay and not go get it.
Here, give me the.
I'll just throw it.
Oh, tell her to stay. Yeah, okay.
All right. You see this? You stay. Stay. Okay. Good job. Waiting for mommy's approval. Gotta chew it. Come on, eat it. Hurry up. I should have broken it.
Oh, we got too much there. See what else? What else can she do?